ongoing talk about AI being so extensive that it could potentially replace human workers, even journalists. One example is that GMA Network applying AI mediums to report stuff about a specific event, and another one is the application of TV shows such as EAT. So what can you say about this situation, especially new teachers could be affected?
Yes, and let's embrace that. Actually, AI is good for business people because just like what I delivered in my speech, in terms of business, production is so fast. However, when it comes to manual labor, like loss of jobs the jobs are being replaced by AI. That is also a problem. And for the time being, it's very difficult to reconcile these two. What should we prioritize, like job loss or the swift changes or the gains, the profits that business people can have with AI? So it's really very difficult. And in the academe, I believe that AI should still be embraced, but then again, I would have to go back to my premise that it has to be used accordingly, and for the mechanisms as to how to use that accordingly, we still have to wait. Actually, UP has started crafting guidelines for the use of AI, and that is good because although technology is really fast, somehow people are trying to keep up with technology's pace. So that's it. We just have to wait for, like for example, maybe there are laws that would guide business, education, and even other sectors for the use of AI. Thank you.